Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn pure gold into a breathtaking work of art? Today, we're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of 24-karat gold leaf mosaics, a craft that has dazzled humanity for thousands of years. From the glittering tombs of ancient Egypt to the soaring domes of Byzantine cathedrals, gold has always been the ultimate symbol of divinity, power, and timeless beauty. And now, we're bringing this ancient art form into the modern age. So, what exactly is a gold leaf mosaic? It's not just about sticking gold onto a surface. It's a meticulous, multi-step process that transforms paper-thin sheets of pure gold into a durable, luminous masterpiece. The magic starts with something called smalti, which are small, hand-cut pieces of opaque glass. This is the traditional canvas for our gold. Our journey begins with the gold leaf itself. We're talking about genuine 24-karat gold, beaten into sheets so thin you can almost see through them. They are incredibly delicate, and even a slight breath of air can send them fluttering away. Handling them requires immense skill and specialized tools, like a gilded just tip of flat brush made of squirrel hair that uses static electricity to pick up the leaf. The next step is to fuse this delicate gold to the glass smalti. We start by applying a special adhesive, or size, to the surface of the glass. This has to be done with perfect timing. If it's too wet, the gold will dissolve. If it's too dry, it won't stick. The gilder waits for the size to reach the perfect level of tackiness, a state they often test by listening for a specific sound when they run a knuckle over the surface. Once the timing is right, the gold leaf is gently laid over the adhesive-coated glass. With a soft brush, the artist carefully presses the gold down, burnishing it to create a smooth, brilliant surface. It's a moment of pure transformation where dull glass begins to shimmer with an otherworldly light. But we're not done yet. To protect the fragile gold and give it that incredible depth and luminosity, a second whisper-thin layer of molten glass is carefully applied over the top. This is the most critical and challenging part of the process. The glass has to be heated to the perfect temperature, hot enough to flow and create a permanent bond, but not so hot that it damages the gold leaf underneath. This protective glass layer acts like a lens, amplifying the light and making the gold appear to glow from within. After this fiery fusion, the large sheets of gold-layered glass are cooled very slowly in a process called annealing. This prevents the glass from cracking due to thermal shock and ensures its strength and stability. Once cooled, these sheets are ready to be hand-cut into the individual tiles or tesserae that will form the final mosaic. Every single tile is unique. An artist uses a traditional hammer and hardy, a sharp chisel-like tool embedded in a log, to precisely cut the glass into the desired shapes and sizes. This isn't just breaking glass, it's a sculptural process. The angle of the cut, the slight irregularities on the surface, these are what give the final mosaic its life and texture. Each facet will catch the light in a slightly different way, creating a dynamic, shimmering surface that seems to move and change as you walk past it. Now, with our precious gold tesserae ready, the true artistry begins, the assembly. This is where the vision comes to life. The artist works from a detailed drawing known as a cartoon. The tiles are laid out one by one, a process that requires the patience of a saint and the eye of a master painter. Each piece is carefully placed, considering not just its color and shape, but also the direction of its cut, which is called the andamento. This flow is what guides the viewer's eye and creates rhythm and movement within the piece. The artist uses a special mortar or adhesive to fix the tiles onto the final surface. Whether it's a wall, a floor, or a custom panel, the slight variations in the height and angle of each tile are intentional. This isn't a flat, uniform surface. The unevenness is what makes the light dance across the mosaic, creating that signature sparkle and vibrancy that you just can't get with any other medium. It's a living surface, constantly interacting with the light around it. After all the tiles are set, the final step is grouting. Grout fills the gaps between the tesserae, unifying the piece and protecting the edges of the tiles. The color of the grout is a crucial decision, as it can dramatically change the overall look of the mosaic, either making the gold pop or creating a more subtle, harmonious effect. From a single, fragile sheet of gold to a durable, intricate tapestry of light, the creation of a 24-karat gold leaf mosaic is a testament to human skill, patience, and the enduring quest for beauty. It's a process where ancient techniques meet contemporary design, resulting in luxury that's not just seen, but felt. It's as an art form that connects us to a rich history while creating something entirely new and breathtakingly modern. The next time you see a flash of gold in a piece of art, remember the incredible journey it took. The fire, the glass, the delicate touch, and the thousands of tiny pieces, each one placed with intention, all coming together to create a single, radiant whole. It's more than just decoration. It's a story told in light. Thanks so much for joining me on this glittering journey into the world of gold leaf mosaics. If you found this as fascinating as I do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the world's most incredible crafts. See you in the next video.